Hidden beneath the Earth's surface lies a masterpiece of ancient Indian architecture, Rani Ki Vav, the Queen Stepwell. Built over 1,000 years ago, this subterranean marvel stands as a testament to Gujarat's rich cultural and artistic heritage. Let's uncover the story of this awe-inspiring structure. Rani Ki Vav, or the Queen Stepwell, was commissioned by Queen Udayamati in the 11th century in memory of her husband, King Bhima I of the Solanki dynasty. This extraordinary structure was designed not just as a water reservoir, but also as an inverted temple dedicated to life, water, and spirituality. The stepwell features 7 levels adorned with over 500 intricate sculptures. These carvings depict deities, mythological stories, and celestial beings, reflecting the artisan's unparalleled skill and devotion. Among the most prominent sculptures is that of Lord Vishnu, portrayed in various incarnations, including Narasimha and Varaha. Beyond its artistic splendor, Rani Ki Vav served a practical purpose. Stepwells were ingeniously designed to provide water in arid regions, and their cool interiors offered respite from the scorching heat. The stepwell's construction showcases remarkable engineering, ensuring water conservation and accessibility. For centuries, Rani Ki Vav lay buried under silt from the nearby Saraswati River. It was rediscovered in the 1940s and meticulously restored to its former glory. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its historical, cultural, and architectural significance. Rani Ki Vav is more than just a monument. It's a journey through time. It's a place where art, history, and spirituality converge, offering a glimpse into the ingenuity of ancient India. The Queen Stepwell is a tribute to the legacy of love, art, and innovation. It reminds us that even beneath the ground, greatness can thrive and inspire.